In this video, we're going to cut out this man and his surfboard and remove the background using the quick selection tool. So we adjust our circle where we're going to make our selection and just click the left mouse button. I'm on a trackpad on the Mac. It's artificial intelligence kind of picks up the edges, but not everywhere. So to zoom in, Command plus plus and Command minus, we adjust that with a left and right bracket, the size of the circle. So then it captures a smaller area or larger area. So we're going to get this so it's respectable and it feels about right. We can just hold the minus, the option to do that, and you see it doesn't look like perfect, so we might have to get this bit here. It looks like it's part of the shoe. Okay, so we're just scanning around. We've got this bit of the surfboard, and we've got a bit missing there. And this looks pretty solid. Looks pretty good. We'll just zoom into this bit that's between his arms and his body. So what we need to do is hold minus, and this will deselect some parts that we don't want. That looks pretty good to me. And have a look how it looks. So yep, that's looking pretty good. And now what we can do is go to select a mask and have a better look at it. We can see if we've missed any bits. We can adjust the smoothness, the feather if we want to. To get the red like this, you change the view mode, so you can change it to grey. But I think red is really good for spotting any missed bits. So we use this top tool here, and then basically we can zoom in and it will just catch any. We need to hold option to do it like that. And if we just click without the option key, it will, it'll select. We don't want that. So that's the great. It's easy to visualize what we want to select and not select when it's red. So this is looking all pretty solid. There's not too much in white bits. There's a bit here, so we'll zoom right in. We'll go really small with a circle and just hold the option, and that looks pretty good. You know, you don't have to get it perfect depending on what kind of how much time you want to spend on it, really. But it depends on the work that you're doing, really. So now that looks really good, really good. If we want to, we can smooth it a bit and do a bit of feather. So that might help. So then we just press OK. Now we've got our selection there. Right, and now to get him by himself, what you can do is, if we press delete, this will remove the man himself, I believe. So we press delete. Okay, it's not directly edible. So we need to rasterize it first, and then it will be. So we just find rasterize layer. So if that happens, you have to rasterize it. And now we press delete, and the man will be removed, but we don't want to remove the man. We'll press Command Z. We want to remove the background. So what we need to do, we can press Command J, and that puts him on a separate layer by himself. So then we can just hide or delete the background, the original image, and that leaves us with the man himself, our object. And what we can do, it may be beneficial to convert to a smart object. Now we've got our guy and his surfboard. If we press V button, we can move this about and put it on wherever we want. We can bring in a background, a different background now, and put him on it. Or we can drag. If we had a new tab open up here with a new different image, we could drag it across. Let's just do that. Let's just do it now. So we'll press new. We've got a new tab. Okay. So we'll just fill the background with the paint bucket tool. There we go. And let's pick a color, say red. There we go. So now we can, like I say, we can press the V button, so we can work on a different tab, and then just drag him. We can drag like that, and that's on our other background. And now if we want to add some text, we can do that, and that's a pretty clean pretty clean cutout, you know. And if you wanted to add like a stroke to him, you could add kind of a drop shadow, but you might not want to. You might want to keep it, depending on your background. You might want to put a different kind of backdrop with a beach, with the water. Is gone now. Another way of doing it is, rather than dragging it across, we can just basically click the layer and press Command C for copy. And once you've copied in your clipboard, just Command V for pasting it. And that's just the same. So I use that all the time. Command C to copy, Command V. Yep, I hope that has helped you with this tutorial and you've learned some things. Please consider subscribing and like the video if you want to see more. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Peace.